Welcome to Holistic Health Haven. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Today we're diving into the amazing world of nutmeg. You know that fragrant spice that makes your holiday cookies so delicious? Well, it's way more than just a flavor enhancer. It's a treasure trove of health benefits. We use a lot of spices in our everyday lives. Let's explore how this incredible spice can transform your health and well-being. Nutmeg is a nutritional powerhouse, often overlooked in the spice rack. It's packed with essential vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall well-being. One of its standout nutrients is manganese, which plays a vital role in bone health and metabolism. Manganese helps in the formation of bones and connective tissues, making it crucial for maintaining a strong skeletal structure. Nutmeg is also a good source of magnesium, essential for muscle and nerve function. Magnesium helps regulate muscle contractions and supports a healthy nervous system, ensuring your body functions smoothly. Additionally, nutmeg is rich in copper, aiding red blood cell production. Copper is vital for the formation of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen throughout the body, keeping your energy levels up. It also contains vitamins B6 and C, which are essential for immune function. These vitamins help your body fight off infections and keep your immune system strong. Nutmeg contains potent antioxidants like myristicin, alemecin, and eugenol. These compounds help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants help fight oxidative stress linked to chronic diseases, such as heart disease and cancer. By reducing oxidative stress, nutmeg can contribute to long-term health. Incorporating nutmeg into your diet is like giving your body a VIP ticket to better health. Whether you sprinkle it on your favorite dishes or add it to your morning coffee, nutmeg can enhance both flavor and nutrition. Do you ever find yourself tossing and turning, struggling to get a good night's sleep? You're not alone. Nutmeg might be the natural sleep solution you've been searching for. Nutmeg contains natural sedative properties that can help calm the mind and body, making it easier to fall asleep. Specifically, nutmeg contains myristicin, which has calming and sleep-enhancing effects. For centuries, people have used nutmeg in traditional medicine as a sleep aid. So if you're looking for a safe and effective way to improve your sleep quality, give nutmeg a try. We all know that gut health is crucial for overall well-being. Nutmeg has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to aid digestion and relieve digestive discomfort. Nutmeg contains compounds that may help stimulate the production of digestive juices. It may also help relax the muscles in your digestive tract, reducing bloating and indigestion. So next time you're feeling a little backed up, consider adding a pinch of nutmeg to your diet. Your gut will thank you for it. In today's fast-paced world, we can all use a little boost to our brain power. Nutmeg contains compounds that may have neuroprotective properties, helping protect your brain from damage. These compounds may also help improve communication between brain cells, enhancing memory and focus. Studies have shown that nutmeg may improve memory and learning in people with Alzheimer's disease. While more research is needed, these findings are promising. So if you're looking for a natural way to support your brain health, consider adding a dash of nutmeg to your diet. Our liver and kidneys work tirelessly to filter toxins from our blood. Nutmeg has been traditionally used to support liver and kidney health. Emerging research suggests that nutmeg may possess detoxifying properties. Nutmeg contains compounds that may help protect the liver from damage caused by toxins. It may also help enhance the liver's natural detoxification processes. Incorporating nutmeg into your diet could be a delicious way to support your liver and kidney health. We all know that brushing and flossing are essential for good oral hygiene. Nutmeg has potent antibacterial properties, making it a natural enemy of the bacteria that can cause bad breath, cavities, and gum disease. Specifically, nutmeg contains eugenol, a powerful antibacterial agent. For centuries, people have used nutmeg to freshen breath and promote oral health. Studies show that nutmeg extracts can inhibit the growth of oral bacteria. Consider adding a pinch of nutmeg to your toothpaste or simply chewing on a nutmeg seed. If you're struggling to get a good night's sleep, you're not alone. Many people find themselves staring at the ceiling, unable to drift off. Millions of people suffer from insomnia and other sleep disorders, leading to fatigue and stress during the day. But before you reach for prescription sleep medications, which can have side effects, consider this natural remedy: nutmeg milk. Nutmeg has natural sedative properties that can help calm the mind and body, making it easier to fall asleep. Milk contains tryptophan, an amino acid that helps the body produce serotonin and melatonin, which are essential for regulating sleep. Combining nutmeg with warm milk creates a powerful sleep-inducing elixir that can help you relax and unwind. To make nutmeg milk, simply warm a cup of milk, add a pinch of nutmeg, and stir well. You can also add a touch of honey for extra flavor. Drink this soothing beverage about an hour before bedtime and see if it helps you drift off to dreamland. Many people find it to be a comforting nightly ritual. Nutmeg isn't just for savory dishes. This versatile spice can elevate your culinary creations in ways you might not expect. It can also add a delicious and healthy twist to your favorite sweet treats and beverages. Imagine the warm, aromatic flavor enhancing your desserts and drinks. Next time you're whipping up a batch of cookies, cakes, or pies, don't forget to sprinkle in a pinch of nutmeg. It adds an extra layer of flavor that can make your baked goods truly special. Whether it's a classic apple pie or a rich chocolate cake, nutmeg can bring out the best in your recipes. Nutmeg pairs particularly well with other spices like cinnamon, ginger, and cloves. These combinations can create a symphony of flavors in your baked goods. Imagine biting into a spiced cake where each flavor complements the other perfectly. You can also add a dash of nutmeg to your morning coffee or tea for a warm, comforting start to your day. It's a simple way to make your daily routine a bit more special. The subtle spice can transform your regular cup into a delightful experience. Or try adding it to smoothies, yogurt parfaits, or even homemade ice cream. The possibilities are endless when you start experimenting with nutmeg. Imagine the creamy texture of ice cream with a hint of nutmeg. It's a match made in heaven. Get creative and experiment with nutmeg in your sweet treats. You might just discover a new favorite flavor combination that will impress your friends and family. While nutmeg shines in sweet treats, it's equally at home in savory dishes. Nutmeg is a staple in many Indian curries, adding a warm, slightly sweet note. It's also a common ingredient in bechamel sauce, used in dishes like lasagna and macaroni and cheese. Add a pinch to soups, stews, and chili for an extra layer of flavor. When using nutmeg in savory dishes, start with a small amount and adjust to taste. Nutmeg has a long history of use in aromatherapy for its calming and stress-relieving properties. Nutmeg essential oil is extracted from the nutmeg seed and has a warm, spicy aroma. Inhaling the aroma of nutmeg essential oil can help to calm the nervous system and reduce anxiety. Add a few drops of nutmeg essential oil to a diffuser or a warm bath. If you're feeling stressed, nutmeg essential oil can be a wonderful natural remedy to help you unwind. Nutmeg is one of the most versatile spices on earth with incredible health benefits. From boosting brain power to promoting restful sleep and supporting digestion, this aromatic spice is a true gift from nature. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Holistic Health Haven for more natural health tips.